Well, my name is Bill Elsasser. I'm from Clearwater, Florida. I've been in the storm, wind, and flood business since 2008. So the biggest thing for if you're looking to be a flood adjuster is you need to come to conferences like this, because this is where it all happens. You get the chance to meet the people behind the scenes, the owners of the company, the people that handle the claims, the people that teach you what you need to know if you've never done it before. If you're an experienced flood guy, it's another place to come in so that you get to meet the people that can maybe move you from residential to commercial to RC BAP, something along that line. The speakers have been fantastic. We got a chance to see a lot of people that we would never see, from the insurance commissioner of Alabama, to Hal the weather guy, So it's a fantastic conference, a great place to get some education, get some continuing ed credits if you need those. But it's also a great place to meet people that you've either never met before or reconnect with people that you know.